Alright, what you'll need for this recipe is some quinoa. So we're gonna get some white quinoa and just follow the package instructions. We're also gonna need some limes, some assorted peppers, any colors you like, a red onion, 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, and I like to also use yellow onion as well. That's all I had. You can use however much you like. There's also green onions in this and kale, and I love to use shiitake mushrooms with the mushrooms in this because it gives it such a great texture. I also use some ginger, about a thumb size. And now I'm just gonna mince the ginger and the garlic. I like to grate the ginger because it's actually a lot easier, I find it. So this is just a hack. You can mince it or you can use a grater. I'm also going to dice all the peppers because we are going to saute them and get them all nicely flavored. So once we mince and chop everything, now we're gonna go ahead and grab our sesame seed oil and we're going to coat our pan and get everything ready to cook up. Go ahead and set that quinoa to the side after it cooks, and let's get ready. Wanna wait for the sizzle, baby. Wait for the sizzle. Wait for the sizzle. You hear it? Starting to hear it. It's like, well, some of this, some of that, and these. These. Alright, so after we add the garlic and the ginger, we're gonna start adding the onions. Add some cumin. And kind of mix it up again so the cumin could cook a little bit. You see here it's much softer, so the onions are starting to separate. And I'm going to lower down the heat just a little bit and start adding in the mushrooms. I'm going to add the mushrooms little by little. Adding some oregano, some garlic, and give this all a stir. I'm gonna kind of separate everybody and add all the colors. Okay, so to be honest, I should have added the peppers before I added the mushrooms. But I don't want them to cook too much because I like the freshness in them, so it's all good. But if you like yours to sweat more, then definitely do it before you put in the mushrooms. Alright, so now we're going to start adding, look at that one, that one's thick. Yeah. And now we're going to start adding more mushrooms and the tamari sauce. This is the tamari I'm using. And I'm going to add half of the lime. Okay, so now we're going to start adding the quinoa. I'm also going to add the green onions on top because we want to mix that in with everybody. To add some more tamari. And we're gonna mix this all up. And at the end, we'll add some more of the lime. So while we're mixing, I have it on a lower temp, like 3. Alright, I totally forgot to add the kale. Add some kale. And this definitely needs more tamari sauce. I know it seems like we're putting a lot, but this is 3 cups of quinoa, so keep that in mind. This is actually meant for like a lot of people. Put some more lime, the rest of the lime. our final product.